Today I'll be solving this clue puzzle box by iDventure. It's the Aztec Pyramid of the Sun. It is a brand new concept which uniquely combines traditional jigsaw puzzle with the mechanisms of an escape box. The aim of the game is to open the box through assembling over 200 wooden puzzle pieces, discovering hidden clues and solving logical tasks along the way. Dive into the exciting adventure and review the secret of the Pyramid of the Sun. It seems like a really cool concept because it has two of my favorite things, jigsaw puzzles and escape rooms. So let's get to it. Look at that. Alright, here's an instruction book with pictures of the jigsaw puzzle, I presume. And the instructions in multiple languages. Let's see. Pyramid of the Sun. Paris, 1804. The German scientist Alexander von Humboldt returns from a 5-year expedition considered as the second great discovery of America. While publishing numerous significant scientific papers about the American continent's culture and nature, he neglects to publish detailed studies on the Pyramid of the Sun, despite spending considerable time in Teotihuacan, one of pre-Columbian America's oldest and largest cities. Only shortly before his death, Humboldt manages to recreate an ancient pyramid-shaped artifact, which reportedly was used to select those worthy of access to the Pyramid of the Sun. The parts of this artifact were recently found in the archives of Humboldt University of Berlin. As a researcher, you're presented with the opportunity to restore the artifact and unravel the enigma from the ancient times. Before you start, number 1, release the tray for puzzles. Okay, so there's a little tab here that you push down. Let's see. Aha! Here are the puzzle pieces. Number 2, empty the tray. Number 3, you can put the pyramid back onto the tray to elevate it and make the assembly process more comfortable. I guess I'll do that. Number 4, examine all sides of the pyramid, including the top. During the game, do not tilt the pyramid while assembling the puzzle. Do not try to activate any mechanisms before you find a solution. Do not apply force. Do rotate and move the pyramid carefully. On each side, always start with puzzle assembly and then activate the mechanisms. Start here and follow the stars. Alright, let's see what here is. That's a little symbol of something glowing. Is that on the side here? Aha! So, at the top of the pyramid, you can see these 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Okay, so let's start at the side with 1 star at the top. Let's assemble this puzzle. Okay, so now that the side is done, these pop eyes out, and this fish is released. So let's do this puzzle. Okay, on part 2, these now turn. And if we look at the eyes on the part 1, you can see 2 symbols on it. So if we set the piñata points such that the symbol that's displayed matches, and this one matches as well, I believe. Let's put the little fish in this hole, and we get a piece. It looks like this piece slots fits in the slot here. Alright, let's do this side then. Alright, part 3. Now that I've built the maze, once you finish the puzzle, these 2 sliders are locked in position, and it looks like this moves and releases this. It's got the phases of the moon on it. Okay, let's do this last one. Alright, the last side is built, and looks like there's only one way this fits on. So we have to turn it until it matches the image that's underneath. That would be my guess. That looks right. Ah! Look at that. So this symbol here matches this symbol up here. So let's try putting that in there. Oh, it got this thing up. And there's an arrow here, so look at that. We've got something. Oh, it's a QR code. All right, let's put this. Oh wait, fish. Fish, turtle, sun, bird. Okay, so it just matches the sides of the pyramid. Alright, that brings us to the pyramid page, and you can say, I have solved the pyramid. Congratulations. That's a really cute mechanism. The first side, the jigsaw puzzle pieces, I think has magnets in it, so that causes these to unlock. The second side, the puzzle pieces show the holes so that you know where to line up the dials. The third side, the puzzle pieces lock these sliders into the right position to release this. And the fourth side, the jigsaw pieces show the phases of the moon so they can rotate it to the right position to release this. So in all cases, the jigsaw is an essential part of solving the mechanism, and then it unlocks to have the final solution. So all in all, I think it's a pretty clever way of incorporating jigsaw puzzle mechanics and escape room puzzles. If you like this, I hope you subscribe. Till next time, happy puzzling!